Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm sorry to tell you that this won't be up for giveaway anytime soon. I did upgrade it, as you've seen the upgrade video, but we had a slight issue on the trail. It's currently using WPL B36 electronics. We've got the warm glow headlights in there, and I combined that with a 7.4 volt battery. And yes, that combination did give a little bit more power, but out on the trail we had a little hiccup. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you see exactly what happens. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to the drawing board. Like I said, the 180 doesn't fit without trimming. I don't really want to trim it because I'll be giving this away, so I don't really want to be trimming. I'm not very good at trimming. It'll be a messy job, so I'm going to find a way around it. I've recently seen on JJRC's YouTube channel. Make sure to check him out. I'll leave a link in the description below for Fonzie, where he's taken his Q65 out and he's got a FE 180 motor in there, and it seems to fit nicely. So I'm going to try and put a FE 180 motor in there, and yeah, we'll try and get back on the trail. So yeah guys, make sure to watch the video all the way through to see what happens to this poor little fella. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. New content every Wednesdays and Sundays. So yeah, enough chatting, let's hit the trail. Got a bit of water here today. I normally go across there and up. I have to find a different route round, try and keep it as dry as I can for the new owner to be. So it'll be interesting to see how that little 130 motor handles. Let's come around here a bit. I'm going to take a different route across. Take the shallow path. So that's the fun with these little trail trucks, is finding a nice route round. So I have my doubts it's going to get some parts that we normally take when I'm testing these trucks, but you never know, it might surprise me. It's quite a steep incline here. 130 motor. I might have to get some wheel speed. As you can see, not quite powerful enough to keep the power down, cutting out there. Get some wheel speed maybe, take a different line. Try a softer incline. So even though it's got a little bit more power combined with that 7.4 volt battery, that 130 motor is still struggling, as you can see. Got the throttle pinned here. Come on, little 130. Hey, up she goes. I'd say this is suitable for light trail use, like it's on now. It did not like that hill at all. It's a shame I couldn't get that 180 to go in there. It would have flown up there with that 180 installed. Nice little tricky section here over the roots. Nice aspect of slow control. This combination's putting out. Can't complain with that. Oop, nearly. So this is the part I had my doubts about, that I was going to get over the tricky rock pass. As you can see, there's enough power there to get over the flat obstacles, but I have my doubts. It's wet and muddy that it's going to get up this hill. So we've got obviously little skinny tyres on here. Whoa, go on, surprise me. Nearly. A 130 motor is just cutting out, look. Oh, nearly, so close. So yeah, I'd highly recommend if you plan on getting one of these trucks to install a 180 or even a 2-speed. It would involve trimming the body, but as you can see, the 130 motor just hasn't got enough power there to get up the hills. You're gonna have to use the hand of God here. I don't like to do this, but let's get up this part here. I thought he looks the part on the trail, fair play. So overall, I'm still very happy with the budget upgrades that I made. I don't think the stock JJRC electronics with that 4.8 volt battery would be getting through all this muddy stuff and cutting through the trees like it is. Well, that's not good. We got smoke. I don't know what's cooking. I think it might be the motor. That's two smoke rigs now on the channel. The ESC looks fine up in there. No smoke coming from there. Let's put it up here and have a look. See where that smoke's coming from. I think the gearbox. Wow, see that smoke coming out of there? I think that 130 motor, I pushed it a little too hard today. I think maybe the pinion has slipped off the gearbox, or maybe something in the gearbox has gone wrong. But yeah, it's not good at all. Woo! Did not end well. So yeah, back to the workbench. I did say I would be giving this away, but I'm not going to be giving a broken truck away. Sorry guys. I'll try my best to get a 180 to fit. Maybe do a reverse gearbox mod. Wow, it's the second rig on me to smoke up now on the channel. Wow. Thanks for watching, guys. I guess I'll catch you on the next one, where we'll have another update on the Q65. Hopefully we'll get it back up and running. A definite 180 is needed in this. Obviously it'll be able to handle the trail a lot nicer. We won't have that burning up the way it is. ESC is still fine. We're still getting throttle response, just the motor is packed in on me. Oh wow, thanks for watching guys. I guess I'll catch you on the next one.